Hey guys, so today is August 10th, 2023. Happy heavenly birthday to the 31st President of the United States, Herbert Clark Hoover, or as I know, Herbert Clark Hoover Sr. We'll get to that part. He would have been 149 today. So today I am going to be stating his life. He was born on August 10th, 1874, to Jesse Clark and Huldah Hoover. He was the second of 3 kids. He had an older brother named Theodore, I think. His dad died when he was 6. 3 years later, his mom died when he was 9, making him the youngest orphaned president. He went to live with his uncle. When he was 24, he married Lou Henry, and they had 2 sons, Herbert Jr. and Allen. That's how I know him as Herbert Clark Hoover Sr. He had his own son named Herbert. When he was 54, he was elected President of the United States, defeating Democrat Alfred Smith. And his vice president was Charles Curtis. They took office on March 4th, 1929, my bad. Matter of fact, it was by former president. Let's see if he's in here. I know he is. By President William Howard Taft. Unfortunately, he would be the last president Taft would swear in. Because 10 months later, Taft would retire from the Supreme Court, and he would die a month later. Meanwhile, he ran for re-election in 1932. But he lost to Democrat Franklin Delano Roosevelt, or as I know, Franklin Delano Roosevelt Sr., because he had 2 sons of his named Franklin. In January 1944, 10 years after he and his wife left the White House, his wife died when she was 69, making him the, let's see, hold on guys, I'm thinking. The 14th president to be a widower. On August 10th, 1964, he turned 90, the second president to reach that age. The other one being the second president, John Adams, or as I know, John Adams Jr. He died 2 months later on October 20th, 1964. He was 90 and was survived by his 2 sons, Herbert and Allen, and 6 grandkids. Well, that's his life.